automotive repair business with multiple income streams. Grafton, New South Wales. This trusted family business offers a proven income, growth potential, and a fabulous lifestyle in the sought-after Clarence Valley. High Drive Auto Proprietary Limited delivers multiple income streams from mechanical repairs, retail, and very profitable breathalyzer interlock installation and servicing. The highway frontage offers excellent exposure and a large customer base, with a retirement village across the road. Easy to find and close to great coffee shops, the business boasts 665 regular workshop clients. The premises include air-conditioned offices, security fence, off-road parking, customer waiting area, and much more. This business is set up to run efficiently, and with the Smart Start Interlock business included, it has a guaranteed cash flow. This strong business still offers potential to sell cars, employ a full-time auto electrician, and grow the customer base. Just 30 minutes from stunning beaches on the mighty Clarence River, this golden opportunity could change your life.